Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here and I'm glad to be back with some videos. I just have a few unboxings today. I have been doing a lot of power shopping these past couple weeks. I'm still waiting for some things to come in. I've already started purchasing decor for Christmas and I'll be sharing that with you as well. But today I just have 3 things to show you that I wanted to share. And also something that I showed on my Instagram. These are the hoop earrings that I got from David Yurman. I love them. I have not worn hoop earrings in a while. And these are so comfortable. They're the perfect size for me. Love, love, love. If you've never had a piece of David Yurman, the price point goes from just under $300 to tens of thousands. And this is my favorite jewelry because it's so durable. It's so pretty what you can get. Some things are so subtle. Some things have beautiful stones in them. Some things are gold, silver, full of colors. I absolutely love David Yurman. So I have bought these as a pick-me-up and I'm enjoying them. I've been wearing them for a couple days this week. We've had a few medical errands for my son and I've been wearing them and I absolutely love them. So with that, I will get to the first set of the unboxing. Right now, I'm not burning Joe Malone candles. I switched to my old standby of Yankee candles for the holidays because I can get all the scents that I like for, the pumpkin scents and the balsam scents for this time of year and for Christmas. So I have been stocking up on those because I burned about 3 candles in the house at the same time during the day. So yeah, I have a candle collection going on. But I still love Joe Malone products, especially the body products. So this one, I have 2 items that I had purchased. One of them came in. I do love. This is the Peony and Blush Suede Shower Gel. And I do use this. I use this for my showers and I also use them for my home luxury pedicures. Yes, I have created a home luxury pedicure regimen from quarantine. So I use this for that as well. So I needed another one and I do love using this in the shower. You can use this as a hand wash at your sink as well. But I'm just keeping this to myself. I'm using it in my showers and for my pedicures and it smells wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And then you follow it up with the Joe Malone body cream. Luxe, luxury feeling, absolutely. So a little Louis, as you saw pictured on my Instagram. I have been running in and out of my Bloomingdale's the past few days. I have made several orders and some things I have shipped to the store, some things I have shipped to my house. So I ran in for a ship to store. I've been buying for everybody in the house as far as like clothing, and I had to pop into LV and see my friends. And so I have been on a bandeau hunt for the past month. I've tried to get the, since 1854, or I might be getting the year wrong, and I can't get it. Every time I get an email saying, hey, it's back in stock, I click and it's already gone. I've tried some Chanel. I can't get a hold of this stuff. So I needed a new piece for this collection this year. I should say for my collection this year. And I saw this. So on this side, it's that cream base with all the detail. And it has LV and black running up and down. And then there's the end bit with Louis Vuitton. And the other side is dramatically different. Same design, just with the black. And Louis Vuitton is replaced with a purple strip there. So I absolutely love this differences on these sides because you can wear these with lots of outfits. So this will probably be something I wear on my neck. I really want to get into the neck bits for fall and winter. It doesn't get freezing cold here, but you do need to slightly bundle up. So between my blazers, my light jackets, and my fashion scarves, I should be good to go. So I don't think I'm gonna wrap this one on a bag. I think I'm gonna use this for my neck, or, you know, as a, like a hairband or something like that, or a ponytail holder. But I really love the contrast in the two sides. Isn't that cute? I will picture it on Instagram because I don't know if you're seeing the color. I think you are, as it is. So got that. Total impulse purchase. I was looking at more Capucine's bags and looking at some of the new stuff, and that is also posted on my IG as eye candy. You know, I like to do that. The third item I'm unboxing, believe it or not, this is my first time using this brand, Ugg, and I'm waiting for another box from Ugg of something else that I ordered. But this is the Ugg box, because when I'm home, I like to relax. When I am home, I am down to the super casual, soft, comfy pants, PJ pants, t-shirt, or I'm wearing my onesies. It's time for my onesies to come back out. So you gotta have comfortable slippers. So I bought these at my store. Leopard print is me. I like the little strap back here. Love the platform. My girlfriend swears these are the most comfortable shoes, so I'm going to find out between this and the other purchase that I made. But aren't they cute? They just look so soft. I haven't worn them yet. I was waiting to show them to you guys. I will be putting these on today. So I think these will look great around the fire. If you love Uggs, please let me know below and what items you like to wear from them. Because like I said, I'm an Ugg newbie. I don't know how that's happened, but I am an Ugg newbie. And now I'm finding myself looking at more pairs of Uggs. But yeah, these are cute. I like them. And I can't wait for the other item to come. So like I said, I have been power shopping. What is power shopping? Where you're like purchasing almost every dang day. And that's kind of what I've been doing the past week. I've been a little quiet on here because I was sick, and we're doing some medical things for my son, and something else cropped up with that. So this week I have made it to Bloomingdale's, but it was in between his appointments. So we're going to be back out again tomorrow. But when you just have stuff coming to your house and you're constantly shopping, that's called power shopping. So I am back in power shopping mode. And I'm showing more of the blazers and such on my IG. These are things that I bought at the beginning of quarantine. Remember when we were all saying what we were doing? At that time, I was hitting up a lot of sales. So White House Black Market had amazing sales on blazers, and I hit them up for that. So now I'm getting to wear these blazers since I'm going out so much for these appointments, and I am enjoying wearing them. So I have been posting those in reels or photos on my Instagram. So if you want to go check those out, please do. And I'm also having a love affair with Nick and Zoe, that brand, for clothing items. And I have a lot of those coming in. A lot have come in. And you'll be seeing those on there too for fashion, because it is fashion season. The only reason why I love fall is for fashion. That's it. So yeah, those are the unboxings. Ugg, Joe Malone, and Louis Vuitton, another bandeau. And also to show you these earrings, as I'm wearing them, that I had posted the unboxing on my Instagram. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, because if I do disappear for illness, you'll want to know when I'm back, right? So thank you for following me and subscribing. I absolutely appreciate it. It is not easy building on YouTube unless you've been on a reality show or unless you're controversial or whatever, or unboxing a Birkin every day. So I do appreciate the people that have hit subscribe, and I would love for you to join us and hit notifications and follow me on Instagram. That's all I ask. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.